Hi everyone, my name is Kedibone Machete, a Director of ShazzyVenturing, a cleaning company based in Limpopo, Zani. Well, the company was established in 2018 and the idea was actually my sister's idea. It started with just having this idea of a side hustle and how dirty the windows were at home. So it started as a window cleaning company. She did the posters and everything. So I saw the idea from there and I loved it. I fell in love with it. I did more research into it and that's when I became attached to it, and then I developed into other cleaning services. Oh, startup capital. That was the hardest actually, I must be honest. It was very hard to a point that I thought of giving up. I always buried my head into paperwork, research and everything until I finally came across NYDA. It took me roughly a year to 2 years to get the 50,000 that NYDA provides startup capital with. So it was a bit of a journey for me to get that startup capital invested into my company in the form of equipment. I had 2 last year, but unfortunately due to the COVID-19, the business is still trying to pick up. The advertising, we've got website, we've got a Facebook page, we've got an Instagram page, we've got flyers. So that is the main way that we're actually doing our advertisements, door-to-door advertising. We also make sure that our Facebook page is up to date, our Instagram is updated with the service that we've been offering. My company to be a home-based company to reduce cost and eliminate other factors that might actually hinder your business to grow faster. So I wanted it to be a home base. So where I live is not far from town in the CBD, and the market around there, since it's in town, it was actually a good deal for my company. The uniqueness of my company is that besides the service that we offer, our service is always beyond a customer's expectation. We exceed the customer's expectation, honestly. And the other thing is the equipment that we use to provide our services. We can actually, with our window cleaning, I'm going to actually focus on the window cleaning for now. We can actually give you services. We can actually service your double story, your triple story, whatever height your building is, and our services, like, it speaks for itself. Our job speaks for itself, which is why I believe every customer believe that cleanness is next to godliness. And so I believe that if we offer the best services, they should definitely choose ShazzyVenturing. Okay, in South Africa, it's challenging. It's very hard, especially in terms of market availability of market, or being able to penetrate the market, the bigger market, or not only servicing the individuals door to door and trying to get the bigger market. It's really hard. It's very challenging, especially to a point whereby your company has just started, you don't have reference. Like, it's a mess. That's what I can say. It's been very hard, especially also with the financing. Remember, other grants, what they do, they buy you equipment, they don't give you finance to actually can finance your company as a going concern for more than 12 months. So the finance and the availability of market is a bit hard. My biggest challenge has been that we've got actually huge equipment. It has been movability in terms of moving from our offices to a client's house, and we don't have a vehicle. So the problem has been the vehicle challenge of getting from our offices to a client due to the fact that our equipment is a bit big. What I can say to young people who want to start their company or has just started is that this journey is actually a hard journey. What they need to know is that they shouldn't get into an entrepreneurship world with a mindset of trying to be their own boss and make money quickly. This is not a quick money scheme or something. It needs perseverance. It needs you to be bold, to be strong in terms of facing all the challenges and never giving up. Giving up is not an option. That's why a wise man once said, a true entrepreneur doesn't carry a seed into their bag. But hey, times are tough with the whole COVID-19. The truth is, when you go into entrepreneurship, go with it wholeheartedly, love it with all its challenges in terms of good and bad. It's like you getting married, so good or bad till death do us apart. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Nolo Cloris YouTube channel.